The more we look at the microscopic detail of nature's structures, the more we find they can do. All the plants in a tropical rainforest depend on these torrential downpours for survival. But they can also create problems. The rain washes down dirt, which could coat the leaves and block out light. Worse, wet leaves will soon grow a layer of mold in this warm, humid environment. Some rainforest plants have drip tips, designed to drain water off the leaf. But some just don't seem to get wet at all, no matter how much it rains. The water can't spread out and wet the leaf. Instead, it just reforms droplets that bounce across the leaf until they fall off. Again, the secret is in the microscopic detail of the lotus leaf. Its surface is covered in tiny bumps, each of which is capped by a waxy layer. The caps repel water, forcing it to perch on the very tips of the microscopic bumps. Unable to reach the leaf's surface, all the water can do is roll back into a sphere. And since it's repelled by the tiny bumps, there's nothing to stop it rolling off the leaf. But even more impressive, the water drops pick up any particles of dirt on the leaf's surface and carry them off as well. So lotus leaves are always immaculately clean. And it's too good a trick for science to miss. This coating produces millions of microscopic bumps over the surface of the material that is not only water repellent, but self-cleaning.